I'm doing the belt and tensioner on my 96 12 valve. This is a non-AC truck, but usually there's a diagram right here on the cross member that shows you how your belt is laid out. So make sure you have that diagram so you know how to put your belt back together. If you don't have that diagram, which for some reason I don't, or it's covered up by a sticker, take a video or pictures of the front of the motor so you know the layout of your belt before you start taking it apart. What you really need is a 1/2 inch ratchet end, which I have on the breaker bar down there, just a regular connection. And you're going to turn this towards the passenger side like so, and that releases pressure from the belt, and you'll be able to wiggle the belt off the front of the motor. Once you break the belt loose and it's dangling freely, you'll have to work it around your fan. Do this carefully and try not to damage the fins on your radiator. While the belt's off, you want to check for play in any of the pulleys in the front of your motor. To take off the tensioner, you will need a 1/2 inch size socket for the one bolt that holds it on. So I got the new tensioner in place with the bolt not fully secure yet, but I put a little Loctite on that bolt before I put it in. Make sure you line up the tang right here correctly to the front of the block before you tighten that bolt. I just tightened the tensioner bolt to 50 foot-pounds of torque. Now I'm ready to reinstall the new belt. New belt's in, reinstalled. You have to go back around the fan, connect everything as is. And then what I did was I put the breaker bar back in the new tensioner, and that helped me get enough pressure off the new belt to get it around all the pulleys and make sure everything's snug and tight. Once everything's snug and tight, you can start it up and see how it's fitting onto the truck. If everything fits correctly, then it's good to go. That's it for now, guys. Thanks for watching. Take care.